Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. Yes, now Unit 6, the theme of the unit. What is the theme? Art and culture. Yes, in that art and culture, A reading, B reading, which were completed before. Now I am going to explain C reading, Math Road with a Mission. Okay, and here it is a biography about Venkata Chinasatyam. Okay, he struggled a lot to give the importance for Kuchipudi dance, which is one of the classical dances. Okay, now what are the problems he had faced in those days? How did he struggle? Let us watch the video.
Welcome back to the English class, children. Yes, sixth unit, art and culture. Okay, we are discussing art and culture. In that art and culture, A reading, B reading, the story of Ikat, the earthen goblet, which were completed before. Now I am going to explain the last reading, C reading, Maestro with a Mission. Yes, this is the biography of Venkata Chinasatyam. Yes. Let me tell you the meaning of Maestro with a Mission. A Maestro, which means master or teacher. Mission means great ambition. Okay, there are two meanings for this mission. One is a group of people involving for particular work. Another meaning, great ambition. Okay, now for this lesson, which is the suitable one? Ambition, great ambition. Master with a great ambition. Is it clear, children? The lad left his house for Madras, now called Chennai, about 400 kilometers away from his place. The place where he started was a village above 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. Okay, and here the lad left his house for Madras. Now it is called Chennai. It is just 400 kilometers away from his place. Okay, in those days the film industry was located in Madras place. Okay, now he wanted to elevate his dance in film industry, so that's why he went Madras. Okay, that place it is just 400 kilometers. Okay, for his place. Okay, now the place where he started was a village about 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada, Krishna district. Yes, see, children. Yes, here the place where he started, that is the village. Here onwards he started on foot to go to Vijayawada. Okay, that is 50 kilometers away. Okay, he walked all the way. On his long way, he fed himself on plantains and water. Plantains means bananas and water. Okay, finding the condition of the lad, the station master at Venkatachalam offered him a full meal. Okay, and here the finding the condition of the lad means the condition was for the boy. Who is the boy? Venkata Chinasatyam. The condition was very weak. He is looking very pale. Okay, that's why the station master, where at Venkatachalam, it is the place. Okay, Venkatachalam, it is the place, and he offered him a full meal. Okay, now after offering the meal, after he ate, the lad, after he completed his dinner, then the station master asked, "Where are you going, dear?" No reply came. The lad looked at the endless sky. Means there is no answer for him. He is going somewhere, but he did not know the dream. What is the dream? To elevate the dance form. Okay, the dream will be fulfilled or not. He did not know. That's why the lad looked at the endless sky. The lad was Venkata Chinasatyam, who later came to be known as Dr. Venkata Chinasatyam. And the place where he started from was Kuchipudi, and the art form he was passionate about was Kuchipudi. Yes. Is it clear, children? The lad. Who is the lad? Venkata Chinasatyam, who later to be known as Doctor. Okay, Dr. Venkata Chinasatyam. The place where he started from Kuchipudi, and the art form he was passionate about Kuchipudi. Here the place, okay, he started from the place Kuchipudi, and what is the reason he started? To give the importance for the Kuchipudi classical dance. Is it clear, children? All this story about Satyam and Kuchipudi becomes meaningless if we really don't know certain facts about Kuchipudi. Okay, first of all, we must know about Kuchipudi, where it has been started. Then only it is meaningful. Unless we know where it has been started, we cannot understand. Okay, let us know about the dance form of Kuchipudi. The dance form originated in the village of Kuchipudi, and here this is the name of the place. The name Kuchipudi. Okay. For a long time, the art was performed at temples at the time of annual festivals and in the streets on the demand of the people. Initially, it was male-oriented dance form. Even female roles were played by men. Okay, and here just see the dance form originated in the place where it is the place, the Kuchipudi, it is the name of the place. Okay, for a long time the art was performed at temples. Okay, this art form only performed in the temples when in the time of annual festivals, where in streets on the demand of the people. Okay, if the demand on the people only, the dance will be performed in temples in the time of annual festivals. Initially, it was a male oriented dance form. Okay, in the starting days, okay, it was just a male oriented dance form. Even female roles were played by men. Okay, in those days, now the people means the ladies, okay, women, they did not come from house. Okay, that's why only men also performed the female roles. Is it clear, children? What a surprise! Great gurus like Vedantam Lakshminarayana, Chinta Krishnamurti enriched the transformed it, welcomed women into play different roles. Okay, and here Vedantam Lakshminarayana and Chinta Krishnamurti, okay, they enriched and transformed. Okay, they enriched and transformed it and welcomed women. Okay, and they encouraged. Who are those? Vedantam Lakshminarayana and Chinta Krishnamurti. They encouraged women. Okay, and they did not, means the men people stopped and they encouraged women to play different roles. They produced many dance dramas and choreographed several solo items. Okay, and here many dance dramas and choreographed. Who here they produced? Who are they? Chinta Krishnamurti and Vedantam Lakshminarayana. They produced it. See, children, he is, did you identify him? He is the person. Who is he? Vempati Chinnasatyam. Okay. Yes. Next person, did you identify him? He is none other than Vedantam Lakshminarayana. Okay. And another one, Chinta Krishnamurti. And here Vedantam Lakshminarayana and Chinta Krishnamurti. And both enriched the transformed and they welcomed women to play different roles. And these two persons, in the starting days, they encouraged women. Did you understand, children? Now let's go to the topic. They produced many dance dramas and choreographed several solo items. Okay, and here many dance dramas and choreographed. Who here they produced? Who are they? Chinta Krishnamurti and Vedantam Lakshminarayana. They produced it. Choreography, which means art form arranging steps for a dance. Is it clear, children? And here solo means single items. And here They performed many dances and several single dances also. Thus, the transformation of dance was complete. It was different from the days when men played the female roles. Now, women play even male roles. Yes, here in those days, the women, they did not come out. They did not come onto the stage. They did not come out to perform on the stage. Okay, in those days. After Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana, and here one more people, Chinnasat, means here Chinta Krishnamurti. They encouraged women. No, after that there is a much difference. See, women play even male roles. Okay, see the daring the women they had in those days. Okay, and even women play even male roles. Still, it was not much popular. At that time, it was not much popular. And it was not recognized. Recognized means identified on par with other classical dances. Here, till 1958, it did not have any recognition till 1958. On par means equal. Okay, there is no equal recognition with other classical dance till 1958. Is it clear, children? Satyam was too big in his aspiration and too small in his achievements. Okay, Satyam was too big in his aspiration. Aspiration, which means desire. Okay, Satyam was too big in his desire but too small in his achievements. He thought that his achievements did not reach. He did not complete his achievements. Those achievements did not completed. He thought it. He faced many hardships in his childhood. Okay, he faced many hardships. Hardships means severe sufferings. Okay, he faced severe sufferings in his childhood. He had a strong desire to learn Kuchipudi. Okay, he wanted to learn Kuchipudi dance. In spite of that, he was humiliated by a teacher in his village. Okay, he wanted to learn the Kuchipudi dance, but he was humiliated. Humiliated, which means make fun of somebody. Make fun of somebody. Yes, did you understand, children? Humiliated means to make somebody feel completely ashamed. Okay, and here the teacher make him ashamed. In which way he was humiliated? Just see here. The teacher said, "Don't attempt to learn Kuchipudi again. You are unfit for it." Okay, the teacher said that. Here in the starting days he could not perform well. Immediately the teacher said, "Don't attempt to learn Kuchipudi again. You are unfit for it. You are not deserved to learn Kuchipudi dance. You are not at all deserved to learn Kuchipudi dance. Don't practice it." The teacher humiliated him in front of all the students. He made his comment in the presence of his friends. Okay, the teacher insulted in front of his friends. Some members ridiculed him, yet some other sympathized with him. Here some members ridiculed, which means make fun of somebody. Okay, and here they are making fun on him, and some members they are showing sympathy on Vempati Chinnasatyam. And then later his father died. He had to feed 4 sisters and mother. Okay, and at the time his father died, and do you understand that those are the hardships? Okay, see, and the teacher, he did not perform well in those days. That is the starting day. Immediately the teacher scolded him, and after few days the father died, and that is after that he had to take the responsibilities. Okay, he had to feed his sisters and mothers. How many sisters he had? 4 sisters and mother. Yes. Beyond this, Satyam was interested in nothing but his favorite art form with some rudimentary knowledge in it. Okay, here rudimentary means basic. Okay, basic or primary. Rudimentary means dealing with only the most basic ideas. Is it clear, children? The basic ideas only he had. That is the hardly of any use to a person with a lofty desire. Okay, here he had lofty desire. Lofty means very high desire. Okay, and this is the childhood days. Okay, he had suffered a lot in his childhood days. Is it clear, children? Tadepalli Peraya Sastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri taught him the difficult aspects of Kuchipudi style and inspired him. Okay, and here these person Tadepalli Peraya Sastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri, and they taught him different aspects. Different aspects means different features of Kuchipudi dance, and he was inspired by those persons. Okay, and they have shown different types of aspects in Kuchipudi dance, and he was inspired. Is it clear, children? Satyam developed a genuine and ardent interest towards the art form. Ardent, which means very enthusiastic and showing strong feelings, serious. Is it clear, children? Yes, he is having strong enthusiastic interest regarding this dance. Is it clear, children? This art form. Which art form? Kuchipudi. He sometimes sold his meal tickets to watch dance programs in Chennai. Okay, just see. Sometimes he sold his meal ticket to watch dance programs. See how interested in this Kuchipudi dance. See the children, he sometimes sold his ticket to watch the programs. Which programs? Not TVs, not cinemas. And here the Kuchipudi dances, because he want to learn, he want to elevate the dance form. Okay, in Chennai. He only wanted to liberate Kuchipudi from the clutches of insignificance and oblivion. Okay, here, just see here. He only wanted to liberate. Liberate, which means set free. He wanted to set free Kuchipudi from clutches. Clutches means hold. Okay, of insignificance. Insignificance means there is no importance. Okay, and here, and in oblivion. Oblivion, which means state of being unnoticed. Unnoticed. Okay, and here this dance form only hold in some members. That's why it was oblivion. Oblivion means that is unnoticed. Okay, the dance was unnoticed. So he wanted to elevate the dance form. Okay, in the next class we will learn how did he elevate the dance form. I hope you understood this part. Thank you.
Yes, did you watch the video, children?